हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 42 की डिक्टेशंस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। डियर सर, कोमा, थैंक यू फॉर योर्स ऑफ द 1st of April and for mailing me your price lists and samples of blue and black inks and glue in the several size of bottles. Full stop. I think the labels are better and brighter now. Full stop. I shall give the samples a fair trial during the next few weeks, and if suitable, I may be able to stock a large number of the smaller size. Full stop. As I think you know, my principal business is with legal offices, and as you will agree, it is essential of offer them only first class inks. Full stop. Yours truly. Thank you.